Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Jura A1. Came into the shop because it wouldn't finish booting up. It was a used machine that had been recently bought, and you would see the bean intensity lights, these two lights right here, flash in an alternating pattern, and that means that the machine just needs to prime. And you tap it, and the way the machine's supposed to work is it runs the pump and primes the system, filling it with water. But that wouldn't work on this machine. It ended up being it needed. It ended up being that the machine needed to be manually primed. There was just too much air before, right before the pump, that it couldn't actually move. It couldn't create any suction. So we manually primed the pump. We did a couple cleaning cycles just to ensure that everything works properly. And yeah, now we have a working machine. So I'm just gonna do this medium setting right here. All right, and that's about it. And that shot right here, and the machine is working properly as you would expect. All right, that's about it. Thank you for watching.